Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Accent Sport, stock reference number 4039. This shape runs from the 7th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a G4 FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, indicator type. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, jack and tool kit. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got an automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.